Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you will find and feel fresh. Today I'm going to show something new for you people, and that is how can you extrude and CREO parametric and revolve command. So be with me. Okay, and in today's lecture I will show you the extrude and revolve. So just click on extrude, select the plane, and let me this time draw a center rectangle. Just make sure sketch preview is on, and you can dimension it as well. Like this time length is 400 and the width right now I'm keeping it 300. Just click OK. Once you click OK, so right now just come in standard view. Even you can drag it from this point up and down, whatever you want to keep the height, or even you can just assign the dimension over here. Right now, what inside extrude, there are a lot of as you can say that a lot of things are over here. This is right now I have extruded this body as a solid surface, but when I want to extrude it as a sheet metal, so you can extrude it right now by clicking this portion. Even you can extrude it as a mid plane, and once you click over here, so you can just flip the direction from here as well. Right now I'm keeping it as a mid plane, but once you keep it solid, so right now you can keep the wall thickness. Right now it is 5 and I'm keeping it 3, and just click OK. So this is how you can use. Right now I have extruded a rectangular portion of the profile. Whatever you can extrude, it depends on you. The next thing about I want to discuss right now is the revolve. It asks me please select the plane right now in sketch. Just make sure sketch preview is on. So just right, what I'm going to do is just to use the revolution command, and right now I'm going to draw a center. For that, make sure you have to draw a center line about you want to revolve your profile, and just click OK. Sorry. Okay, and okay, so right now it is revolved as a sheet metal. Okay, from here you can keep the wall thickness. Right now this is 2. You can keep it 6 as well, right? So hopefully you understand, and right now you can keep it as a mid plane, or even whenever you keep it this one, so you can flip the direction as a sheet metal or solid by keeping the thickness. So 8. Okay, so hopefully you understand how can use the revolution command as well as the extrusion and CREO parametric 5.0. So remember one thing, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon so that you receive the upcoming videos notification to you people. Okay, thanks for watching. Wish you all the best.